Law of conservation of momentum. Objective. Momentum is defined as the motion of the mass of an object because all objects have mass and any moving object belongs to have momentum. In other words, when two objects collide, the total momentum they form to collision will be the same as the total momentum up to the collision. Let's consider two cars with different masses. The bigger one is the M1 and the smaller one is the M2. Imagine the cars are moving at the same direction but with different velocities, V1 and V2 respectively. Because momentum is the product of mass and velocity, the momentum of a bigger car can be expressed as M1x V1 and the smaller car is M2x U2. To determine the total momentum of two cars, the M1v1 plus M2v2, now let's imagine about two cars are colliding. During the collision, the bigger car will excel the force of F1 and the smaller one will excel the force of F2. On the bigger car, as the result of the collision, the velocity of the cars will change, so we'll represent those as V1 and V2. Force is the product of mass and acceleration. In our example of the collision, the force of the bigger car will be expressed as F1 is equals to M1 into V1 minus U1 by T, where T representing the time, and the force of the smaller car will be expressed as F2 is equals to M2 by V2 minus U2 by T. According to the Newton's third law, each action will have an action that is equal and opposite, meaning the forces can be expressed as F1 is equals to F2 because both forces are equal. So we can also write the mass M1 into V1 minus U1 by T is equals to minus M2 into V2 minus U2 by T. We can cancel T as the factor of time in the equation. M1 into V1 minus U1 is equals to M2 into V2 minus U2. The equation can then be simplified. M1 into V1 minus M1 into U1 is equals to minus M2 into V2 plus M2 into U2. And it can be reached in as M1 into V1 plus M2 into V2 is equals to M2 into U2 plus M1 into U1. From this equation, we can say that the total momentum for both cars are the form and after the collision did not change but was concept then by probing the law of conservation of momentum.